Hey guys, so welcome to our deck. I'm so excited for today. So you guys, we are going to be transforming this empty deck into a beautiful outdoor oasis, and I am beyond excited. Like, this is 40. Um, so we have not purchased anything for the deck for as long as we've been here. We knew the cicadas were going to come out this year, and so we just didn't want to have to worry about that. Well, now the cicadas are gone, and now we can enjoy this beautiful space. I just love it back here. It's so nice and quiet and peaceful. We have this beautiful kind of wooded area back here, and so I'm just super excited to be able to transform this space, to be able to use this space. We have a grill now. We're going to be able to grill out and enjoy just, beautiful nights in the summer back here. Hopefully entertain. The 4th is coming up. My birthday is coming up. So we have plenty of reasons to be able to use this space and enjoy our friends and family. So I'm super excited. So I'm going to show you guys what the deck is looking like right now and just kind of explain to you what my vision is, and then we're going to get started. We have someone coming to help us put together the deck furniture, and he should be here in the next like half hour, so I'm just beyond myself, so stay tuned.
So this is what the deck looks like now. The deck is basically the full width of the back of the house. So it's super long, but not super deep. So we had to get a little bit creative with how we're going to place the furniture and everything. So my idea is to kind of create like rooms. So over here, right off the kitchen, we're going to have a grill and like a whole grill setup. Makes sense. And then on the back of the house here, I'm adding a sofa and a couple of chairs. And then on this side, we're gonna do like a little dining set over here. And that's it.
Hey guys, so we are just about done with the space. All the furniture is up, the grill is up. There's just a couple other little accessories we want to get. We want to get like a round rug for the dining room set. I don't know why I say dining room, for the, the little table. We're probably gonna do something with the area. I'll just show you guys. So over here, it kind of looks a little bare to me, so I want to do something over here. We may do like a little, like maybe like a bar cart or something. I don't know, have to figure that out. And maybe get like a little mat for Sharif. He said he wants a Ravens mat. I got him this Ravens little tool here, so we may do like a little Ravens mat over here for him. And then over here, I'm liking everything over here. I feel like I need something else on this little tray here. And then I want to get a round rug. And then we ordered a umbrella, which will be here this week in the base. And then maybe just something for the table. I don't know, something decorative. So we'll see. But yeah, I really, really like how everything is turning out. This wind is, y'all see that? This wind is crazy. Hey y'all, so we are having our first dinner on the deck. Sharif has got some good things going over here.
Yes, sir.
So our first dinner on the deck. We got our music playing. We got our citronella candles going because these bugs are real. Yeah, we're excited. The first of many.